Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a feeding tutorial for new mothers and explain how a calm and comfortable routine can make feeding a more enjoyable experience. For many mothers, the first few days can feel overwhelming because both mother and baby are learning together. It is completely normal to need time before everything begins to feel natural. Before each feeding session, find a comfortable place where you can sit and properly support your back, shoulders, and arms. A comfortable position can make a big difference during longer feeding sessions. It is also helpful to bring your baby close to you instead of leaning forward. Good positioning often helps both mother and baby feel more relaxed. During feeding, pay attention to your baby's natural feeding cues instead of watching the clock. Every baby has a unique rhythm, and learning those signals becomes easier with time. Creating a quiet and peaceful environment can also help. Many mothers find that fewer distractions make feeding sessions feel calmer and more enjoyable. Remember to take care of yourself as well. Drinking water, eating balanced meals, and resting whenever possible can help support your daily routine. Do not worry if every feeding session feels different. Some sessions may be shorter, while others may take more time. This is a normal part of the learning process. As the days go by, both you and your baby will become more familiar with the routine, and feeding often becomes more comfortable and natural. Every mother's journey is unique, so focus on finding a routine that works best for you and your baby, rather than comparing your experience with others. With patience, consistency, and plenty of love, feeding can become one of the most rewarding moments you share with your baby. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.